Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wordcraft Hub, where every word builds your world.
And today we're going on a little trip. Imagine, you've just arrived at a hotel after a long journey. You're tired, but you need to check in confidently in English.
Oh, yes, many learners feel nervous in such moments. But don't worry, after today's lesson, you'll speak like a pro at the hotel reception.
So grab your notebook, smile, and let's check in with confidence.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and
Share this video with your friends. Let's begin.
good evening. Welcome to the Sunrise Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, I have a reservation under the name Pooja Sen.
Perfect. That's a very natural way to start. It means you booked a room already. Let's repeat it together. I have a reservation under the name Pooja Sen. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Nice and polite. You can also say, of course, here you go. Or, here's my ID. Notice how polite English always uses please and thank you. It sounds warm and respectful. I see your booking is for 3 nights. Would you prefer a single or double room?
A double room, please.
Would you like a room with a view?
Oh, that sounds nice. Yes, please.
These are polite ways to ask what someone wants. Would you like or would you prefer? Remember, would you like sounds softer and more polite than do you want. Could I have your credit card for the payment?
Sure. Can I pay by cash?
Yes, of course. Cash or card, both are fine.
Okay, I'll pay by card.
Notice the difference between can I and could I. Could I is more polite. Always end the conversation with thank you or I appreciate it. It makes you sound confident and kind. Here's your key, room 307. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you need anything, just dial 0.
What a lovely way to end the check-in.
You know, the first time I stayed in a hotel abroad, I was so nervous to speak English. I was worried, what if they don't understand me?
Oh, yes, I remember my first time too. But I realized the receptionist wants to help you. They listen patiently. You just need a smile and simple words.
Exactly. Confidence is not about perfect English, it's about trying. So remember this, friends, your effort speaks louder than your accent. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's practice some sentences. Repeat after us. I have a reservation under the name. Could I have a double room, please? Can I pay by cash? Here's my passport. Thank you.
Now, tell us in the comments, when was the last time you stayed in a hotel? What kind of room do you like, single or double? You can even write your own mini dialogue.
Let's quickly review what we learned today. We learned how to check in at a hotel using polite and simple English.
Here are the top 5 phrases from today's lesson. I have a reservation under the name. Would you like a single or double room? Could I have your credit card, please? Here's your key. Enjoy your stay.
Practice them again this week. Say them out loud. Maybe even record yourself.
You did amazing today. Remember, every new phrase you learn brings you closer to speaking confidently.
So if you enjoyed learning with us today, don't forget to click subscribe and join the Wordcraft Hub family, where every word builds your world.
Next time, we learn how to order food at a restaurant, politely and naturally.
Until then, keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.
Bye.